All right, guys, what's going on? All my beautiful friends out there. Hope you guys are having a fantastic time. Welcome, welcome. This is for Sunday, and once again, it's your friend Shane here. Before we continue, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a fellow trader who just want to teach you guys and analyze the chart the way I see them. And this is what we're gonna be looking through. We'll be analyzing some charts using the triple arrow system, guys. If you guys don't know what system I use to trade, I only trade using the triple arrow system. It's one of the best system in the world. I can recommend, and it's been pretty amazing. So today we'll be looking through some of the setups, just few setups of how the triple arrow system and how to get the trades and grab those hundreds of pips in the forex market, guys. So this is Sunday. I don't really trade on a Sunday, but this is for educational purposes only. So don't hope on to trade on a Sunday, because trading on a Sunday is not for. I mean, it's not safe, because that's where there's high spread and gaps in the markets. So wait till everything settle down and you can go trading. Maybe beginning on Monday. So I am working until Monday morning. It's Monday here, but I know that in the United States it's still Sunday, and I'll be trading only when the London session open. That's gonna be my time this afternoon, and it's gonna be around 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So once again, welcome everybody. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a fellow trader who's going to analyze this chart using the triple arrow system. So let's go through basic charts and see what we can find in here and how we can use the triple arrow system to start developing world and making fantastic trades in the forex market. All right, for those of you guys don't know what is forex market is one of the biggest market globally. It's around 5.3 trillion US dollar daily market cap, and it's one of the biggest in the world. And this is actually you're trading different currencies to make profit, buying and selling currencies in the market, and to make profit out of selling and buying currencies. So thank you very much, and let's jump into some of the analysis. So you can see currently I am on this trade here. I actually entered this trade since last week on around last week, and I'm still holding this trade because I know why I'm still holding, because I have still confident that the trade will eventually go down. Why? Because I have the triple arrow. So currently we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at a 4-hour time frame, and you can see what's right here. Right here, you can see that we have the triple arrow, right? Guys, triple arrow is the beast. What can you see here? This is what you can see. We have a triple arrow here. We have the red arrow here. We have the yellow arrow, and we have the big arrow indicating that the market is gonna be going down. So I took this trade and I held it. Patient is key to success, guys. Don't rush. That is why I love trading on a 4-hour time frame, because I know that I can still go out, do anything I want to do, but still my trade run for me. Why? Because every candle represents a 4-hour, so I can just still check my trades maybe once or 2 times a day, and I'm good. So you can see I ended the trade last week. It played around, it came a little down, it went up again, and eventually it started to drop. So I'm currently up for 39 pips or 40 pips on this trade. So patience is a key to trading, guys. If you want to be really successful in your trading career, you gotta emphasize and have more patience to trade in the forex market. So we have triple arrow, and then the market started to drop. So guys, you can see. So how far can we go? By looking this trade, this is gonna be a long-term drop on the market. So I'm looking at the potential of the market to go further down. Let's we can zoom out here. You can see. Sorry, let's zoom back and see that exit trend the market. So we're on a bullish trend here. You can see, but it's gonna be a reversal. So by looking at this, the market will eventually come around, maybe hit this resistance level here, and then it will do a reversal back, and then eventually continue up the trend. So guys, triple arrow is the beast. So I'm gonna be taking profit when it comes down here. So I know that it will eventually hit my take profit. So I am comfortable to walk away with 963 US dollars on this fantastic trade. So that is one trade you can see. So what you can see here too, here, what happened here, we have the triple arrow, right? And what happened when the triple arrow appeared? We have the market went down. So guys, triple arrow is a beast. If you have entered this trade right currently here when the triple arrow appeared, you should have made around 535 pips. And this is huge if you're depending on what lot size you're trading on this pair here. So that is one. Let's go look at the other pairs, which I don't think we have any trade in. Okay, let's look at Euro CHF, which I've entered also last week. Euro CHF. All right, guys. Triple Euro is one of the best system in the Forex market. All right, you guys can see here, I'm currently on this trade here. You can see, let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame and see what we can find here. So why did I take this trade here, guys? It's because I had the triple arrow, right? Triple arrow appearing right here. I took the trade here, and what happened? The market went up and currently at 19 pips. But I'm gonna be still holding this trade here because I see it's gonna be a very, it's looked at the trend, it's gonna be turning around and it's gonna be a bullish market. So I am looking to holding this trade until I get my profit out of here. I will see, depending the market will go up and down, I'm gonna hold this trade because patience is the key to us to become a successful trader. You don't have to rush in the market. I don't scalp in the market, so I don't really bother if the market is chopping up and down. I can still ride the wave, and I can still get out with my profits in the market. So guys, triple arrow is one of the best systems, not in there, but just trading the triple arrow, you can be very, very successful. And it doesn't really take long. It's just a system where anybody can use to trade because it's made very, very easy for anybody who is new into the Forex market. This system can eventually, using this system, you can eventually start making some amazing pips. All right, so we're gonna have a reset here. You can see what's happening on the forward time. We have a big area to confirm either the market is gonna continue down or continue up. So I'm gonna be waiting for a triple arrow to set up on this trade here on AUD CAD. So Canadian dollar, I'm still waiting for the trade to set up so we can jump down back to our lower time frame 1 hour and see what we can find here. Is there gonna be triple arrow or is still forming the triple arrow? All right, guys, pardon me. I need to put this somewhere where it can be much comfortable to read these charts. Let's put it over here. All right, let's jump into, we are actually on the 1 hour time frame. So what we can see, we have a big arrow appearing here yet to confirm. So I will wait until the London session open and see if I happen to get a triple arrow here, I will jump on and take the trade. So guys, patience is key. You just have to wait for the triple arrow to appear and you jump into the trade and you make some profit. So what did we see here? Try to look at this. We had triple arrow appearing here. And then what happened? The market dropped. You should have made around 124 pips out of this trade here. All right, so let's look at the other pairs. Let's go look at one of the GBP pairs, if we can find any fantastic triple arrow setup here. All right, guys, you can see what happened here. What did we see here? On the 1 hour time frame, what did we see here? We had a triple arrow appearing, right? And what happened? The market is gonna be starting to move up. So let's jump up to the 4 hour time frame. It's still resetting here, but the market have already started moving up. So guys, triple arrow is a beast. It is a beast, guys. All right. All right, let's say go ANZ, JPY. Let's see if it's going to be a fantastic setup. It's still resetting. So guys, the big arrow is appearing, but yet the confirmation. Don't jump into the trade until you see that there is 3 arrows facing up. It will indicate that the market will start to move up and retest maybe the trend line, and it's going to do a reversal back, and then eventually it can continue down again because the overall trend of the market is bearish. So it will just do a reset. Hopefully from here it will eventually go right up here around 250 pips, and then it will bunch off the auto trend lines here, and then the market will eventually continue down. So patient, guys, but triple arrow is one of the best systems in the world. So see what happened here. We had triple arrow, right? And if you should have entered this trade when the triple arrow appeared, what you should have made, just see this huge potential of profit you should have made out of this trade here. You should be looking at around almost 500 pips out of this one trade. So guys, trading triple arrow is a beast. I don't know what do you think about the system, but this is one of the best system I ever found. And I'm not expecting forex trading, but the moment I found this system, I feel really really comfortable, and I've been starting to make awesome profit out of this system. And guys, I am not gonna be showing anybody my trading results, and that's how that is my rule. And if anybody are asking for trading results of how many pips I made, my portfolio, my profit, no, this is confidential and this is mine only. But I'm gonna be only sharing with you guys trade setups and opportunities where you can also jump into the trades to make some profit, guys. So don't expect me to send you guys any trade result, because profits are not guaranteed in the forex market. And as a trader, you must know that trading in the forex market is a risky business. So trade only money which you afford to lose in the forex market. Do not trade money which you need for your household, for your rentals, for children's diapers and all this stuff, for your hospital insurance, guys. Only trade money which you think is disposable. So if you lose that money, you don't really care, because it's the money that you don't really need with you. So guys, only invest money which you can afford to lose. So with that, guys, enjoy. But I'm telling you guys, triple arrow system is one of the best tools in the forex market. And for those of you guys gonna be getting the system currently, buying the system currently, the next version of the triple arrow coming out is gonna be much better, guys, and you'll be getting it for free if you have the original triple arrow system. And this is gonna be one of the fantastic tools that even you can use it for life, guys, and it's just a one-off payment and use tool for life to trade using the forex market, guys. It's triple arrow, nothing else but triple arrow. All right. All right, see what happened here. We have triple arrow appearing, right? And what did the market do? The market went right down here. It went on a slant pattern. It took a breather, came down, went a bit, and then went down again here. And then what happened here again? We have triple arrow, guys. And what did the market do? The market went all the way up here. And what did it do here? We had triple arrow, right? And then the market dropped all the way down here. And now what did we have here? We have triple arrow. And then the market went up, came down a bit, and eventually, where do you think the market will go up again? You can see that the triple arrow is pointing up. So the market will eventually reverse again from here, took a breather, and then the market will eventually come again and bounce off this auto trend line here. So you should be looking at an additionally 229 pips. So guys, if any of you right now currently on this pair here, GBP CAD, you have the potential to make approximately yes, around 180 to 200 pips. So this is just, you can see this is a clear trade here sitting down. So if you want to take this trade, please trade it wisely with proper risk management. And I know that if you take this trade, eventually you will make some money out of it. So guys, that's what we're doing. We're only doing triple arrow. There's no any other fancy indicators you can find on this chart. No any other fancy strategies, guys. It's just using the triple arrow and trading with the triple arrow. So with that, I don't think we have a lot of anything else to do. So let's just look at one more pair and see if we can. So we see that all the arrows here, we have only big arrows. They're still forming. So guys, the moment I see the 3 arrows appearing here, I'm definitely going to be taking the trade. But currently, you can see that the trade is still forming. So you can see what happened here. We have the triple arrow, and what did the market do? The market came down. This is a huge drop. So guys, patience is key in the forex market. And if you're patient enough and you want to be a swing trader, the triple arrow system is for you. Even you can also trade the triple arrow system even down to the lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. You can still scalp out the triple arrow and eventually still make money. So what did it do here? Looking at the 15 minutes time frame, what happened here? What happened here? Triple arrow appeared, and what did the market do? The market went up. So if you have scalped out of the 15 minutes, when the triple arrow appeared, you should enter the trade here. You should have made another potential of 62 pips or 56 pips out of this trade here. And then what happened here? We have triple arrow appearing here, and what did the market do? The market went all the way down. the market went all the way down from here, all the way. So you can potentially make approximately almost 300 pips, even trading out to the 15 minutes time frame. So what happened here? Triple arrow appeared, and then what did the market do? The market went up all the way here. And then what did we do here? You see, what did we do here, guys? We have triple arrow, and what happened? The market went a little sideways, but eventually it broke a little higher. You should have made only 15 pips, not bad. So guys, trading the triple arrow is one of the best systems. You can see triple arrow market drop, triple arrow market went up, triple arrow market drop, and it's just that, following the triple arrow system. All right, guys. With that, thank you very much for watching. It's once again your friend Shane here, all the way from Papua New Guinea, just the guy from the Pacific. All right, thank you very much for tuning in. And with that, just have a look and see that Triple is one of the best system I can tell you guys. And if you want to grab the system, there's going to be a link right below here. And if you're getting the system, you get a system with me, and I will do a one-on-one Zoom training with you, and I will teach you the exact strategy which I use to trade the triple arrow system, and which can be more successful to you instead of going through all the training videos. So guys, we have an amazing community in here. We have 3 mentors, Mr. Jenny, Mr. Elvis, and Ervin. They're all there in the fantastic community teaching all the fellow traders, even with our CEO Pat. We have a very amazing community, really friendly. We help each other and grow as a family. So this is a one-time payment system. When you get a system, you use it for life to trade at the Forex market. You don't have any other additional monthly fees, no any additional payment. It's just a one-time payment. Link below. Check it out, and guys, hook me up after you get a system, and I will get a one-on-one Zoom training with you, and we will run through the strategy which they use to trade the triple arrow system, which gives you almost a 90% winning accuracy, and it's going to be amazing for you. So with that, guys, have a fantastic time, and I am out.